everybody. Okay. Hello. If you do not know what we're doing by the title, you, the viewer, is saying, so I have to make a game in a certain time frame that you, the viewer, have to say. So if you say that I have to make a game in 5 minutes, I have to make a game in 5 minutes. If you say that I have to make a game in 10 minutes, I make a game in 10 minutes. And I have already prepared some stuff, just some sprites, and I just made the camera gray, because why not? Like, no coding yet. I don't really want to cheat. Yet. And if you do not know what to choose, I have a random number generator, just in case. So you may choose if you want. Okay. So doing the random number generator. And let's generate 6 minutes. Cool, I can definitely do that. Yep. Sure, why not? Okay. Let me think what I should make. This is not gonna turn out good at all. I think I know what I'll make, and just know I'm making a 2D game. I'm not doing 3D. That would be a bit stressful. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, first of all, let's just make some player movement. So we want to create a sprite. We want to create, yeah, circle. Why not? Why not? Circle for the player. Let's zoom out the camera. I like zoomed out games. Let's call this player. Let's drag that down over there. Let's attach a circle collider, mark it as an edge trigger. A rotated body 2D, mark it as kinematic. Make a script, player movement, new script, create and add. Okay, please don't fail me. I don't like to be failed. I'm gonna create a new script. Spawn is not a self spawner. I don't care right now. I'm just going for speed. Create a new script. Block. I don't know. I don't know. Just create random scripts here. Let's attach a random game object spawner with the spawner script on it. Let's move this game object up. Okay. And then what we want to do, go into the player movement script. And for any new viewers, in case you don't know, I'm making a game in 6 minutes right now. Shoot, I don't have any time left. That's not good. That's really not good. Okay. Let's see. Shoot. Public float. Move speed. I want a private float called move input. I don't know really. Move input is equal to input.getAccess raw horizontal. Hopefully I spelled that correctly. Transform dot translate move speed multiplied by shoot move input multiplied by time dot delta time 0f. Okay, save and let's try this. Okay, this is a bit stressful. Shoot, I have 4 minutes left. I've wasted quite a bit of time. Move speed maybe 10. I don't know. Okay, come on, let's press play. Okay, cool, works. Let's type the player. I don't need to type the player. Let's hit 15. No, 17. I don't care. Okay. Shoot. I'm gonna try a square, maybe scaled up a little bit. Perfect! Box collider, 2D. Shoot. I don't care right now. And let's attach the block script to it. Okay. Let's see. Shoot. Public float. Full speed. let's say transform dot translate 0f fall speed multiplied by time dot delta times 0, and I think we have to inverse fall speed. Okay, shoot. Oh no, my time's halfway through. Fall speed 7. I don't know, and let's attach a rigid body 2D. Mark this as is kinematic. Okay, let's go. Okay, cool, works. Okay, turn this into a prefab, delete it from the scene. Let's go to the spawner. Shoot. Public game object. OBJ. I don't care. Public float. Spawn rate. Private float. Current spawn. Shoot. I'm blowing this. With star current spawn rate is equal to spawn rate. If current spawn rate less than or equal to 0, then we need an else, and current spawn rate minus equals time dot delta time. Then current spawn rate is equal to spawn rate, and let's say we have to instantiate the OBJ at transform dot position. Shoot! We have to do new vector 3. Oh, we're gonna do vector 2. God darn it! Quaternion dot identity, and let's say random dot range. I don't know. 20 to negative 20, and then transform dot position dot y. I think that will work. Actually, shoot, what's the matter? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Shoot. I still have to player death. OBJ. Square spawn rate, maybe every 1.5 seconds. I don't care really. Okay, let's actually do it between. You know what? 20's fine. 20's fine. Go. This is kind of stressful. Okay, nice. Okay, it works. Shoot, let's go to player movement. Void on trigger enter 2D. At the top, using Unity engine scene management. We want to say scene manager load scene manager get active scene build index, and I believe that should be it. With 28 seconds left, hopefully this works. Oh my gosh. Please say this works. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, it works! We have a game! Wow, with 8 seconds left. Nice. Haha, Brackies! You did your challenge for 10 minutes, I did it for 6 minutes. Sorry that you quit YouTube, by the way. Okay, cool. I'm not doing 6 minutes again, so. Okay. To the one viewer watching, if you don't know what's happening, I think you do, but I have to make a game in a certain time frame, and guess what? You get to select a certain time frame. So, in the chat, you can just say the time frame that you want. It has to be higher than 5 minutes, but lower than half an hour. Okay, let's see, game 1. Okay, that's definitely stressful. I feel Bracky's pain. Okay, I'll be reading these 2 objects. Okay, let's see. Looks like that I will just be doing it at a random time frame. Okay, here we are. For the new viewer who just joined, if you don't know by the title, what I am doing is I'm making a game in a certain time frame. Like, I just made this game in 6 minutes. And guess who's deciding the time frame? You guys are. You can just move around, blocks randomly spawn, and you just have to dodge them. That's all I did, because I had 6 minutes. Because this random number generator is absolutely torturing me. So, the one rule that this challenge has is that you cannot go below 5 minutes, and that you cannot go above 20 minutes. So, if you want, you can just say a random number in the chat, like just 15, and I'll have to make a game in 15 minutes. So whenever you're ready, you can do that. If I'm already making a game and you say the number, then I'll use that number next round. Okay, let's see. Let's generate a random number. 14. Yes, I can work with that. Finally, I cannot work with 6 minutes. Okay, that's just too stressful. Okay, let's go. Let me figure out what game I'm gonna make. This one I had already made an idea for, but I have no idea what I'm gonna do for this one. I think I might do literally the same thing as Geometry Dash, which I love that game, so. Okay, I'm not excited. And by the way, I already have some sprites that I pre-made. It's just the normal default sprites. The circle, the square, and the triangle. Okay. Let's start my time off. I'm not gonna like this. I do not think. Start. Okay, first of all, yeah, let's make our player character. I can just drag in square. I don't know why I've not been doing that. Let's just drag him right here. I'll call him player. I need to tag him. Nope, I think that's wrong. Let me add a tag called danger. Shoot, I don't need that either. Oh gosh, darn it! Wasted time. Boss sort of 2D. That's perfectly fine. Rigid body 2D looks like the ground something like 4 continuous. Never sleep. I think that's fine. Now let's add a player jump script. So I already have a player movement script. Okay, cool. Starting off good. One thing that I do need is a ground object. So let me just expand this to 10,000. Let me add a box card of 2D, and I need to add a new layer called ground to it. I also want to make this thicker. The last thing that I want to do is parent the camera to the player. So the camera will now follow the player. Oh, I don't care about the name. Okay. Now let's double click on the player jump to open it up. I'm talking pretty fast here. Sorry about that. Okay, here it's opening. Okay, here we go. We need a private bool called is grounded. And we need a public layer mask called ground layer, public transform called ground check, public float, check radius, and a public float for jump force. Okay, I can now work with this. In the fixed update function, we want to set is grounded is equal to physics2d dot overlap circle, and for the position we want ground check dot position with check radius and the ground layer. Then what I'll say, shoot, I need a private. Nope, let's make it public. I cannot waste time here. Public rigid body 2D, and I'll call this RB. Why not? And I'll say if input.get button down jump button. We say is grounded is equal to true. Then we will say rb.velocity is equal to vector2.up multiplied by jump force. Let's hope that this works. Shoot, I still do assign variables. This is not looking good for me. Okay, we can select the ground layer. Jump force, I don't know, maybe 10. Check radius 0.5. Rigid body, drag that in. Call this ground check. Let's set this to 0.5. Let's drag this in. I'll position the player closer to the ground. Okay, that was pretty nice, and let's test. Okay, nice. Shoot, I actually do not like that. Set the player's jump force maybe 25. Cam, follow script. Oh, I really should do this right now. Okay, cool. Let's add this should be wait update. Let's add a public transform for target, and I think that should be it. Nope, we need a public vector 3 for offset. Transform dot position is equal to target dot position plus offset, and let's save that and test. How much more time do I have? I have 9 minutes. Okay, I can work with that. I can definitely work with that. Okay, let's see. Z -10, Y -3.4. Oh my gosh, I'm messing up right now. 1.34. My gosh. Okay, let's press play. Oh boy. No, the Y is completely off. Uh-oh. Okay, we have to adjust the Y in game. Let's also adjust the X and the Y. Let's copy the component. Paste component values. Nice. I'll change this to round numbers. Okay. Now let's just make some spikes. Sure, why not? First of all, I have to make the player always move forward. So let's see. Public float forward speed. I'll make a space about 10. Transform dot translate forward speed multiplied by time dot delta times 0f and 0f. Okay, save, and let's go back into Unity. And how much more time do I have? 8 minutes. Okay, yep, I can definitely work with this, hopefully. 15. Let's see how fast I move. Okay, let's set maybe 20. Okay, cool. This is... Oh my gosh, that's not good. Okay, cool. Perfect. And no, I will not do edge collisions. I'm just gonna do spikes and that's it. Okay? Just deal with it. I'm not doing that. Kind with danger. I'm gonna do a polygon collider. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. The collision is already set up. Thank you so much. I think this is a normally trigger. Yep. We need to be using Unity engine.scene management. We will say void on collision enter 2D, and we'll say scene manager dot load scene manager dot get active scene dot build index. 7 minutes left. Okay, let's try this. I really hope this works. I don't know what I'm gonna do if it doesn't work. Oh my gosh, no. We need tag danger. If collision.collider.tag is equal to the danger tag, then it'll do that. Okay. Oh boy. I'm not gonna like this at all. Okay. Now let's try this. I'll call this spike, and I'll make this a prefab. Okay. Now let's try this. Please work. Yes. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Last thing that I want to do, freeze. Okay. And I'll make the spike a little bigger. I'm used to pressing S for the scale tool. Perfect. Where's Gordon Ramsay would say absolutely marvelous. Wow, the jump height's way too big. And I'll set the gravity to 7.5. Oh, I'm tweaking useless values. Why? Much better. Okay. I will make the spike. I'll shrink the spike really quick. And I will apply that. Okay, cool. Okay, a triple spike, baby, for Michigan. If you play Jump Trust and you know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's see. I think I have time for edge collisions. I'm totally not sure. Okay, sure, I do. Why not? Okay, I think I'll definitely scale that up. I'll add a box color 2D. Mark that with ground. But what I will do, I'll create an empty object. Collision 1. Mark that with danger. I'll add a box color 2D. And I'll put it right on the edge, so it can only crash if it gets on the edge. I'll do one more. Rotate that by 90 for the bottom. Okay, cool. Let's try this. Shoot, I didn't make it up. I think I have to adjust the player speed a little bit. 15 again. Shoot, I forgot what I was just about to do. Oh gosh, that's not good. Oh yeah, I was gonna hold jump. Okay, let's just do that real quick. It's pretty easy. Just get button, not get button down. Okay, we're running out of time and I haven't even made a level yet. Cool, why not? Okay, let's press play. Okay, that still works. No, I missed the block! Nice. Now let's make sure that we die whenever we hit the edge. That sounds wrong, but it's not. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, it works. Let's just make this an obstacle so it will go up. I'm just gonna make a nice, quick, short little level here. Cause hey, why not? Jump. I'm just gonna make a staircase here. I think that's good. Fall. It's gonna look like that you are gonna fall, but actually there will be an evil spike right there. So evil and devious. I don't even know if this works yet. Another evil spike right there. This is not good. I have not even checked if this works. Oh, so I should probably do that. I probably won't, but you know what? Oh my gosh. It's getting a bit nerve-wracking. No, it doesn't even work. Oh no, I overestimated the player's jump height. No! Shoot. And that none of this works. I think that should work. Okay, cool. Okay. Now from there I can estimate what I should do with delete these spikes. Okay. And I believe I can fall into that safely. I don't know, so let me test. Nice. Okay, cool. I think that will work. I'm not sure. I have to make a full level. No! This is absolutely the bane of my existence. Okay, cool. How much time? How much time? Oh god, 25 seconds. I'm gonna have to jump up. No, that's a triangle. I want a spike. And then, wait for it. It'll end right there. Gotta expand that. Time's up. Let's hope that this works. I've done no bug testing. Like, how could I? Nice! Oh, yes. Okay. That is game 2. Okay, person in chat, type a number between 5 and 20, and I'll make a game in that amount of time. And if you don't, I'm going to use the random number generator. Okay, wow, that was a very interesting game. Not great at all, but decent. That was very scary. This challenge is stressful. Like, wow, this is super stressful. Okay, do you have any ideas for a time frame? Okay, apparently not. Okay, I will do this one more time, and then I think I'm done being stressed out, but I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I'm not gonna enjoy this at all. I have to make a game in 8 minutes. That's not good. Shoot. Okay, sure, why not? Let's do it. I did not like making a game in 6 minutes, but now I have to make a game in 8 minutes. Okay, let me think of a game idea really quick. Shoot. Maybe I can make like an apple catcher game? Or a knife throwing game? I think that'd be a bit hard for 8 minutes. So shoot. Hello new person. So what we're doing is you are typing a number in chat, and whatever number that is, I have to make a game in that time frame. So if you want to type, and the rule is you cannot do under 5 minutes, and you cannot do over 20 minutes. So the time frame has to be between 5 and 20 minutes. So that is what I'm doing. If you want to type a number that follows those rules, I will make a game in that time frame. Still wondering. And I've made 2 games already. One, you have to avoid blocks as they fall on you, and the other is Geometry Dash, but 10 times worse. Okay. I'm just wondering what I should make for this game 3. I really want to do something with shooting, but I don't think that's possible with 8 minutes or whatever time frame you want. I think I might just wing it. I don't know. I don't think that is a good idea at all. But sure, why not? Okay, I'm not gonna start the time yet. I have to put in 8 minutes again, or else the timer will go immediately start bleeping at me, which I don't want. So shoot, I don't know what I should do. A great game is Flappy Bird. Why not do Flappy Bird? That's so easy to recreate in 8 minutes. Is it? You know what? It is. It is. Okay, let's go. Did I start it? Yes, I did. I definitely started it. Oh, I have to make an object spawner. Shoot. Okay, that's not good. And I do have pre-made assets, but they're just squares, triangles, all that stuff. Okay, cool. Put that in the center of our screen. Add a box called a 2D, rigid body 2D of a gravity, I don't know, about 4.5. Continuous and never sleep. No rotation. But I think the rest is fine. I'll do Flappy. That's what I'm gonna call a script. Flappy. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, and I want to create one more script called Flappy Spawner. And Flappy will be moving forward. And I also want to attach the camera follow script that I made earlier. But still, I will use that and I will be proud of using it. I don't think I need the camera follow script. Never mind, never mind. Okay, let's just attach that. I'm reading this player. I'm wasting so much time here. Oh my gosh. Okay, gravity will take care of most things, but what it will not take care of is jumping. Public float. Jump force. Public rigid body 2D called RB. And shoot, I'll say if input get button down, I want the jump button. It'll say RB dot velocity is equal to vector 2 dot up multiplied by jump force. And I think that should be basically all of the player movement code. I don't know, and I don't really want to find out. But let's just see what happens. I almost forgot to assign some variables. That could have been very bad. Okay, let's try this. Okay. That's not good. Don't know what's going on with that. Shoot. Unparent the player. Haha. This isn't good. Oh, I know why. I set the gravity to like 1. Oh, 5 minutes. There we go. Set the gravity to 2. Jump height to 8. Okay, I have to set the jump height back to like 15. I should really not be wasting time on jump height and gravity and stuff like that. Okay, I think that's actually pretty nice for Flappy Bird, of course. I think also that's something else so you have more control over the player. Let's see. Now I just need to make the player move forward, public float, forward speed, and I'll make a space of about 10 to distinguish. Let's transform dot translate, and I want to move it forward by forward speed multiplied by time dot delta. Time was 0, f and 0. Okay. I think that should be nice. Okay, forward speed 8. I really don't know. I really don't care. I just want to make this. I just want to get this challenge over with. I would say that's nice. Okay, now it's gotta make a empty game object. Flappy Spark. There we go. Okay, let's see. Let's move this over to about right there. Double click on this. Let's make a public game object called spawn. I don't know. Public float. Spawn. Rate. Private. Float. Current. Spawn. Rate. Okay, void star current spawn rate is equal to normal spawn rate, and I'll make the timer if current spawn rate is less than or equal to 0, else current spawn rate minus equals time dot delta time. Current spawn rate is equal to spawn rate. Else it'll... No, that's not what I want. That's not what I want now. I want to instantiate the spawn at transform dot position. No, I want a new vector 2 of transform dot position dot x with random dot range of 7 and -7, and I want to do it as quaternion dot identity. Okay, I still have to make the object. Shoot! I did not plan this out. Hello, Ricky. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just making a game. Right now, it's 8 minutes. So yeah, it's currently very stressful. I'm just calling game object, sure. Why not? Just reset that position. Make it thicker. And let's just do that, but more. Add danger tag and box spider 2D to this. And, shoot, how much time do I have left? Okay, that's really not good. Okay, I'll make the gap about that wide. Okay, drag that into the spawner. Spawn rate 2.5. Because why not? And I still don't have player death yet. Whoa, that's not what I want. This should be parented to the camera. Okay, now that should work. Did I actually go over it? Oh. Okay. Now let's add some player death. I think I have time for that. Oh my gosh. Okay, yep, I totally do. Void on collision enter 2D. Oh no. Using Unity engine.scene management. Then for respawning, we want to say scene manager.load scene manager.get active scene .build index, and I believe that should be all. I don't know. Yep, that's it. Poof. Okay, let's try this. If there are any bugs, that's it. I'm done. If there are any bugs. Okay. Oh my gosh, yes. It works. We have Flappy Bird. Yes! Game 3 is done! That was stressful, am I right? Games 1 and 2 have not been that stressful. Okay, this will be my last game, and then I have to go. Okay, Ricky, since you are here, or whoever wants to, just type a number in chat between 5 and 20, and I will have to make a game in that certain time frame. So that's fun. I'm completely being sarcastic. And if you don't do, and if you don't want to type the random number into the chat, I just have a random number generator here. Okay, let's see. Will you pick or will you not? That is the question. And I also still have to come up with a game idea. So, that's not good. Okay, let's see. Still no numbers. So I'm gonna pick from the random generator. Oh yes! Oh, it has taken mercy on me! Oh yeah! I get 19 minutes! That's a bargain for what I had to make. I make a game in 6 and 8 minutes. This is a huge step up, I must say. Now I have to figure out what game I'm gonna make. Oh, 9. Okay, sure. Okay, we have... No, I don't want to do 9, I just did 8. Okay, chat, please help me out on what game I should make. I don't know, this is kind of stressful, not gonna lie. Okay. I shall wait for your response for what game I should make, because I have absolutely no clue what I should make. So that's fun. Okay, I'm waiting on you, chat, because I have no idea for any games that I've made. Oh, and it can only be a 2D game, because it's a 2D template. So that's very cool. Not really. Wait, can I switch it to a 2D game? I'm not gonna do that. That's a bit too stressful for me. I don't really want to do that. Okay, I still don't have any ideas for a game. Um, a game where you have to flick on a light on and off. I don't know. That's a terrible idea. I'm not gonna do that. Shoot. Um. Ooh, this time is gonna be extremely tight, but I think I know what I want to do. It's like one of those knife throwing games, where it's a spinning circle and you have to throw the knives without them actually touching each other. That's gonna be a huge stretch. So, Ricky, can I use my 19 minutes instead of my 9 minutes? It's fine if you want me to suffer and use my 9 minutes. Okay, waiting for a response. Okay, cool. Then I'm gonna use my 9 minutes. I'm not making a game about you, Ricky. Like, yeah, I'm making a nice own game. Okay, cool. In 9 minutes. I don't need 19 minutes to make a very stressful game. I don't need to do that. Come on. Okay, cool. Oh, let's do it. Hopefully my timer isn't going. Okay, go. Is it? Yeah, it's going. It's going. It's going for real. I have not even used my circle yet. Maybe 7 by 7. Sure, that's good. I don't care. Let's add a script called rotator to this. It rotates because that's what I want. A rotator. Cool, cool. Why not? Let's add a circle collider 2D to this. Let's add something. I don't care about the tag. Actually, I really should care about the tag. Um, circle. The tag's called circle. I don't know what to do. Okay. Let's make a public float called rot speed. Let's say transform dot rotate. I don't know around what axis it should rotate around. So let me just see that right here. Right. That's I'm messing up everything. What axis is it? Oh my gosh, okay, Z-axis. That took me so long to figure out. Oh no, please no. No, stop spamming. Okay, round Z-axis is 0 F 0 F. Roughly multiplied by time dot delta time. That took so long to figure out. Please no. Okay, now I need to make a beautiful knife that will be literally a triangle. It's gonna be beautiful. Knife. Okay. It will be pointing 90, negative 90. It'll be a very weird looking knife. I'll call this knife because I have to add a tag. And I will add a knife script to this. I also have to spawn knives whenever I click. Oh, this is not going well at all. Okay, knife. Let's see. Um, let's see. We need a public float called speed, and what we want to do. Let's see. Void on collision enter 2D if collision.collider.tag is equal to circle. It'll say cancel invoke move. Actually, we do not need to do that. We have to make a private bool called move and in start function we'll set move is equal to true. This is extremely stressful. We'll say if move, then it will say transform dot translate speed 0 0f, and I have to multiply speed by time dot delta time. This is a huge stretch, by the way. It's set move is equal to false. Okay, let's test. So when the knife hits the circle, it should just stop moving. Set speed something like 20. I don't really know anymore. Okay. Oh, that went down. I don't want it to move down. Oh shoot. Is it the y-axis because I rotated it or something? I don't really know what's happening anymore. I have 5 minutes left. This is really not good. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, I think it's the y-axis. No! Why would you do that? Did I spell the tag correct? Yes, I did. Shoot, I don't want to do this. Okay, so cool, it's not detecting that. I'll add a rigid body 2D to that, mark that as kinematic. Add a rigid body 2D to that, mark that as kinematic. And then I'll say transform.parent is equal to collision.collider.tag.collider collision.gameObject.transform. So now it should rotate with the circle. I don't know though. So, oh boy. What? Why are you going through? I'm gonna add a box cutter to it. That might make it better. I don't know why this is going through the circle. I am not instructing you to do that at all. I'm gonna add a little room so it's more fair to the player. Come on, I have like 3 minutes left. Stop going through the circle! I don't like this. Circle Clutter 2D is not trigger. Why are you bullying me like that? Yep, it's all correct. It is all correct. I'm just gonna copy and paste a tag. Okay, let's add a tag to the circle that says Xisma. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna make this one. I'm not gonna make this in time. I was supposed to make player death and knife spawning. Stop going through the circle! I'm not telling you to. Debug mode. Again. Just stop going through the circle, that's all I ask. What the heck? Okay, so why? It's 2D. If move equal to I don't know. That's just a big stretch right there. I don't know why this is not working. Please help. Chat. Anyone? Please help. I don't know why this is not working. It should be. What the heck? Yep, setting equal to false. Why is this happening? Oh my gosh, auto crash. It will say cancel, invoke, move. No! I did not type 2 M's. Come on. Yeah, I'm failing this one, but I will keep on going. I don't care about knife.move, just stop when it hits the circle. Right now that's, oh my gosh! What is happening? I'm so confused why it's not detecting collision with the circle. Just detect collision, please. That is all I'm asking right now. Oh my gosh. It's going straight up through the circle. I'm not telling it to do that. I'm telling it to stop. Let's see, revert. If move is equal to true. I'm just gonna put a random else set. Move is equal to false. I don't know what's going on with this. I really don't know why it's not stopping. Yeah, let's just press play. Yeah, I don't think this game's gonna work. Yeah, I really have no idea why it's not stopping when it hits the circle. It is getting slightly infuriating. Let's make sure that it's not the. And there's the timer. So maybe you should have given me 19 minutes, Ricky. Okay. I'm just confused why the knife is going through the circle. Is there something wrong with the circle collider? Like, huh? There's nothing wrong with the tag. It's a circle collider. Like, what? Okay, now I'm just curious on why that did not work. Because I am so confused. Like, what is just passing through? It's gonna be the rigid body 2D. I think I'm gonna cheat a little bit when I get it to actually stop when it hits the circle. I think I'll reset the timer to like 5 minutes. Because I don't know why it's doing this. This is so weird. Continuous, never discrete. Continuous, never sleep. Like, why? Why is it doing this? It's passing through the circle. Is move being set to false? This is so weird. Nope, it's not. Can somebody help me out here? Because I don't know what's happening. This script is perfectly fine. Void on collision enter 2D. It's 2D, so we move to false. If it hits anything, so it's not the collider that's the problem. And all of these colliders, they're not marked with its trigger. So I really don't know what's happening here. The one thing that actually works is that the circle rotates. That's the only thing that actually works in this game. I don't know why the knife. Maybe what I can do, just gonna move that up, set that equal to 20. We'll set speed equal to 20. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this collision. Okay. This is weird. This has never happened to me before. Everything's working perfectly fine. I'm literally using the exact same thing that I've used for this. Let's see. I'm just curious why this is not working. Like, what? It's not detecting the collision at all. Which is very much irritating. I don't know why that ain't happening. I think I deserve a rating for this. But I don't think I'm gonna redo it today. This is just weird right here. I'm gonna try one more thing. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Very irritating, I must say. Okay, last thing that I'm gonna end the stream here. Because this was supposed to be the last game. But then you just decided to just die on me and not make collisions work. Yeah, it just doesn't. What the heck was that? I thought I just saw the is trigger checkbox just checked. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. I think what I'll do. Just scale that up. Attach box collider, rigid body, kinematic, rotator, 30 degrees. Give it the tag. That should be able to rotate. Yep, rotates. Speed up a little bit. Another square for the knife. I don't really know. Rigid body, kinematic, and I'll add the knife script to it. Oh, rigid 40. Okay. Yeah, it just doesn't work for some reason. Well, that's weird. Okay, well, I'm just gonna end the stream here. I hope you have enjoyed the stream. So yeah, and I'll see you in the next